So put it to
two or three. Don't
2 or 3, yes.
Okay, and if you turn it all the way up and you're not careful, you're going to sling that stuff all over the kitchen. Put it on 1.
Oh, we should have added sugar.
Well, you can, but you don't have to, baby.
It'll be sweeter if we add sugar. Yes, we should have added sugar. Is it too late to add sugar?
Don't add it to the cream, you'll ruin the cream.
Oh.
If you really want sugar, then put some sugar on
The strawberry. It's like the cream on the cake, but it's not sweet.
Look, I will hold it. You can... There.
Is that enough? Oh, we should have ice cream on the top. It'll be even... No, I don't want this. Okay, so let's eat strawberry. This is my strawberry dessert. Oh, we should eat this with cookie?
No, I'm eating it with cookie. You got your strawberries.
Okay, I eat strawberry. You eat cookies. I eat strawberry. I wish I put sugar. The strawberry is sour.
Will you put a strawberry on my cookie?
Sure.
Actually, it's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's not sweet. Eh? Where's my sugar? Just adding some sugar is not sweet. Is it too late to add sugar?
Well, sweetie, if that's what you want to do, but I think it tasted just fine with a little bit of sweet from the strawberries and the not so sweet from the whipped cream.
No, it's better. Oh, we should put color on it. It'll be colorful. I should make cake. I can decorate the cake with the cream. And we can use this to make ice cream. Well, I can make you ice cream this weekend. It tastes so much better with sugar because the strawberry is sour. Sugar. I think I have less sugar than the sugar you had in your cookie. It tastes really good. It's like the cake. And I can use this to make mint ice cream. Can we save them?
I guess you could. I'm not sure we need to. You're going to put more sugar?
Yes, more sugar. It tastes really good. Oh, do you think we can put like orange juice in the cream and it will taste like orange whipped cream? Do you think so?
I don't think it's going to work.
Oh, okay.
I think the acid in the orange juice would break down whatever kind of proteins they've got in this whipped cream.
Do you think we can put the food coloring?
I guess you could put food coloring in. I think the food coloring, if you're going to do that, you put the food coloring before you whip it.
Not after? I see people at the bakery, they put food coloring in the plain white whipped cream. It's really good. It's my first time to do this. I never did this before. It's for you. Do you want me to eat all the cream?
No.
How many calories here?
I don't know. If you keep whipping it, I think it turns into butter. You're essentially eating butter.
Oh, but it's made of milk, right?
Well, it's made out of the cream from milk. It's made from the part of the milk that floats to the top.
So it's very...
It's got a lot of the fat and stuff. It's the cream.
I'm eating the whole thing. Super full, super full. Two bowls of water. You think I should put the tomato and potato together? you think the salt is not enough, just add more salt. And I boil the potato separately because it takes longer to boil it. And then I will mix the potato with the soup. The potato is cooked. My mom cooked this way before to mix potato with tomato. This is our soup.
Where's the vegetables?
The vegetables is tomato. This is the tomato egg soup.
And potato?
And potato, yes.
What's potato in Chinese?
土豆.
What's egg in Chinese? Egg.
No.
What's tomato in Chinese? Tomato.
No. 西红柿.
西红柿.
No, 西红柿.
西红柿.
Ah, I think it looks good. Looks good. Let's try the soup.
What?
The soup it tastes super good. You
Wow.
try it. You taste the soup and the potato.
Yum. Very soupy. Get in the soup.
I will make noodles after the water boiling and put the noodles in. Noodles. I think this much noodles enough.
Baby, I'm actually hungry now.
Almost done. Almost
starving.
done.
I'm
Almost done.
I'm
And I
starving.
think I will give you the
I'm
most.
wasting away. I
noodles.
think I lost a pound.
Oh, okay. And then I will mix the soup. I'll give you some soup and some vegetables. I think the soup tastes good. Give you some vegetables and tomato. Okay. Okay, it's ready. It's ready. This one is yours. And I'll just drink some soup. And if you want some hot sauce, here, hot sauce. This is yours. I think this looks good. This is yours. This is mine. Mine just plain ones. You got noodles and yours look prettier. Do you think my bowl is too big? Do you want to sit down? If you think the flavor is not strong enough, here got hot sauce. It's not spicy. I didn't put spice in it.
You can have my noodles if you want.
I'm not really hungry.
The pirate cup doesn't believe you. Arrgh, you say you're not hungry, but you're always eating. Arrgh.
Do you want to put sauce in it?
Do you want to put sauce in it? Put sauce in it, baby.
No, I think mine is fine. Because you got noodles, so you might need more sauce. I think my soup is fine.
Oh, wee, oh. Oh. Mr. Kitty says, feed the pirate cup the pink people.
Some people also put rice in it.
Instead of noodles or in addition
Yes.
to noodles?
Instead of noodles.
I think I'm turning Chinese. Listen to me eat my noodles.
It's supposed to eat that way.
Seriously though, if I make noise, is it okay? If I make noise, does it mean that it's good?
It's okay if you make noise when you need noodles. Do you like the potato in the soup?
The potato in the soup is good.
I love cookies.
The soup can make people full. Because you drink a lot of water. Did you save some noodles for me?
You said you didn't want any.
I thought you had leftover noodles. This bowl is too big to eat. Ah! Wow, it's just right. How did you know the timing?
Tell you what, you get an egg timer and we'll have a contest. And I guarantee you, my eggs will be better than your egg timer.
Wow, I can't wait. you will smash it. Looks really good. That's all for today.